tragopans have an extraordinary and dramatic courtship display to attract the female's attention and interest. Before the display, the male satyr tragopan first selects a log or visual obstruction and, once ready to display, puffs himself up by inflating his hidden horns and gular wattle and waits for the female to pass by. When the female passes, he unfurls and inflates his gular wattle, fluffs up the plumage and flaps the wings along with some head movements. By the end of the display, the male stretches to his full height and shows off all of his ornaments. He then finalizes his display by going over the log and hopes that the female will choose him for the mating.